Hello everyone. This is our 20th video about vacatoin on the Hainan Island. And in this release we will tell you about the snake farm and a small fragment from the shark fat plant. The snake farm is located on Hainan Island, in the vicinity of Sanya. This is a kind of snake house of the Miao peoples, inside which there are several terrariums. They contain various species of poisonous snakes, although the main species that are bred on this farm are the king cobra. Snakes are kept in conditions close to natural, and their main value is in the poison, which is collected by experienced herpetologists. Snake venom is used to prepare drugs from epilepsy, and as well serum from snake bites is made on the basis of snake venom. In addition to snake venom, snake bile is also used in medicine. In China, the healing properties of snake venom and bile have been known since ancient times and are considered the elixir for youth and health. The snake farm will also show how serum works, how poison is taken, and the most memorable sight, of course, will be the famous cobra kiss. Guys, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel and see you soon. Cheers.